So guys, for today's vlog, let's talk about Union Bank's PayDirect. So basically, PayDirect, para lang for everyone's benefit, it's just you using your Union Bank credit card if eligible ka. You can use your credit limit to send money to bank accounts. For example, pambayad mo sa mga suppliers mo. For example, ako, nagre-renovate kami, babayaran ko siya sa contractor ko. Or for example, kailangan ko bayaran yung mga professional fees, let's say, ng accountant ko, ng other kailangan kong bayaran. Bank account lang kasi meron sila, I can use my credit card to pay for it. Yung Union Bank kasi dati, this was previously Citibank's PayDirect. Since nawalan si Citibank, di ba, kinuha na ni Union Bank yung feature na yan. Now, with a lot of your credit cards, all the old Citi credit cards na migrate nila to Union Bank system, it is still points earning. Dati, nasa 30 pesos to 1 point. Now, naging 150 pesos to 1 point. Now, sabi mo, Jax, parang pangit naman yan, 150 pesos to 1 point. You know, to be honest, guys, saan ka makakahanap ng credit card that still gives you points? Puros lahat ng iba dyan, RCBC has it, Security Bank has it, Metro Bank has it, but they are all not points earning. Kahit na sabihin mong, ay, bakit ganun siya? At the very least, eto, points earning pa rin. Now, some of the Union Bank credit cards out there, paminsan nagkakaroon siya ng service fee. It depends kasi per customer. But I see na if ever ikaw yung tipong galing sa Citibank din, wala ka pa rin processing fee. So guys, it's like using your credit limit to pay for bank accounts for free, di ba? And then you have a few days before you're going to pay for it pa. Basta bayar mo in full ng due date mo, wala po siyang interest, wala siyang charges, wala siyang processing fee. Now, without further ado, syempre, this will be a very quick vlog lang. So for example, saan mo to pwede gamitin, guys? Isipin mo lahat ng kailangan mo bayaran na bank account. If ever meron kang Union Bank na credit card, gamitin mo lang siya. Kasi why not? Libre yung feature na yan. Eh di bongga, di ba? Parang wala kang kailangan isipin. And all of it, sa due date mo siya kailangan bayaran. Hindi ba? Ang ganda. Now, step by step natin siya gagawin. First things first, all you have to do is open your Union Bank app or Union Bank online app. Then, guys, pwede rin to sa website, pero ang papakita ko dito is via your phone para at least mas madali tayo. Unlock your Union Bank account with Face ID or whatever biometrics man or PIN or passcode, whatever you want. Now, dito syempre lalabas lahat ng mga accounts mo, your credit cards, your mga savings account as well. Syempre, naka-blur siya. Now, all you have to do is, I would use my Union Bank Miles Plus kasi this is the points earning credit card. Yes, your Union Bank usually meron rin siyang ganong feature na yan, walang problema, but this is not points earning. So, syempre, dun tayo sa points earning, which is my Miles Plus. Click on your Miles Plus na credit card and then ilo-load niya lahat ng mga transactions mo and all of your details. All you have to do is just scroll down. You will see PayDirect. Once you see PayDirect, click on PayDirect. Makita mo dito meron siyang all, active, which is kung ano yung ongoing mo, completed kung ano yung natapos mo ng PayDirect, at saka canceled, which is all of the canceled PayDirect na nagawa mo before. You can ignore that. All you have to do is click on Create New Transaction. And then sa Create New Transaction, itatanong ka, send to a UB account or other banks or e-wallets. And yes, pwede rin to sa e-wallets. So my supplier is Metro Bank kasi yung banko niya. So I will click on other banks and e-wallets. Then you will see here, send from which card. Select the card which you want. And again, yung card na select natin is the Miles Plus World Mastercard. And then here are some reminders. So ang may reminder siya dito tulad ng transaction amount, minimum is 3,000, maximum is 200,000 pesos or 95% of your available credit limit. Then, ang processing time niya is usually 3 days before your due date and ang due date niya dapat future. Hindi siya instant, guys, ha? Hindi siya pwedeng kinabukasan. Usually 3 days siya. Later, I will show you. Cut-off niyan is 3 p.m. and then limits per month is 1 million pesos total. And then you can do 10 times your payments and 2 times per the same recipient. So guys, isipin mo, if you're going to pay your supplier, twice a month pwede. Hindi siya pwedeng 3 times a month because isang person can only receive twice. Pero ang pwede mo gawin doon is, if may ibang bank account siya, pwede yon, kakagat na yon. And then 10 times lang ang pwede mo gamitin yung PayDirect per month, which is usually enough na. Click on Got It. And then now, select ko. Now, Metro Bank yung bank kasi ng contractor. So, I will just select Metro Bank. And then, I will type the bank account ng supplier ko. And to be sure, guys, what I usually do, I just copy-paste. Pinakamadali, copy. Pwede pong mag-copy-paste dito, huwag kayong mag-alala. And then, nandyan na, confirm. Okay. And then, name ng supplier ko, which is his personal account. So, I will just copy-paste na rin to para at least madali. Guys, pwedeng copy-paste, pwede mo i-type, ikaw bahala. Pero for me, copy-paste pinakamadali para at least, di ba, pag i-paste mo, sure ka na dyan. Now, you've entered the bank, you've entered the account number, and then the name, and then click on next. Now, sa next dito, magkano yung amount na yan. And you can see here, ang processing fee ko is 0%. So guys, do note lang ha, some banks or some customers, baka may processing fee yan. Meaning, hindi ka qualified for the 0. It depends. Pero usually, nakikita ko na sa 0 pa rin naman yan. But again, guys, this one varies customer by customer. Tingnan mo na lang yung app mo para at least sure tayo. Para walang pagkakamali. Okay, now I will just check kung magkano babayaran ko kasi alam ko, ang kailangan ko siyang bayaran 66,000 pesos, which is, oh my gosh, mahal. So, 66,000 pesos, yan siya. And then start date, kung titingnan mo, today as of shooting, it's April 12. And if you're going to see here, ang next available date is only April 15. Kasi nga guys, kailangan may 3 days after nitong whenever I'm doing the transaction, tsaka lang pwede mo i-select yung due date. Yung due date na yan, basically, kung kailan siya dapat pumasok doon sa account ng supplier mo or ng sino man babayaran mo. So, if ever babayaran mo, ang lagi sinasabi, uy guys, give me 2 to 3 days kasi kailangan ng processing. Usually naman yung mga supplier mo will say yes to that, diba? So, click on the date. And then guys, you also have the option to repeat payment, which is frequency niya, weekly, every 2 weeks, monthly, quarterly, every 6 months, or annually. So perfect to, for example, your landlord, or kung mayroon kang retainer mo doon sa mga accountants mo, monthly mo babayaran, or payroll, ganon. If wala naman, just leave it as is. Huwag mo nang iselect yung repeat payment. Purpose, these are the selected, or these are the purpose that you can do: school, rental fees, membership, professional fees, general insurance payments. Kung wala ka makita dyan, you can click on miscellaneous. And then, nandito yung mga pwede mong other selection. Ang dami po siya. From childcare hanggang utility. Dito, nakita ko yung renovation ko. And then, you can also notify the recipient, which is optional if ever you want to. Click on next. And then, you have to review all of the payment details. Tama ba? Ito yung account niya. So, check ko ulit. Okay. And then, the number, account number. Okay. Tama. And then, the amount. Processing fee is 0. Nakita nyo dyan, 0 siya. Start date, and then click on pay. And then important details lang that you have to know, and then just click on proceed with payment. So guys, dapat enough yung iyong credit limit rin to do this transaction. And then all you have to do is just wait for the one-time PIN, which will be sent to your registered mobile number. So I have my one-time PIN here. Pinaprocess na siya. And then, transaction details, nandiyan na siya. You'll see the status as active. So, active siya because, guys, meaning hindi pa siya na-process at hindi pa siya completed. And then, here are all the transaction details. All you can do is you can also add to your My Recipients, meaning if kailangan mo bayaran ulit yung tao niyan, you can add it to your recipients para next time, nandiyan yung details niya. Or, you can click on share. So, share, you can save the image or share it to other people. I just usually save the image muna. And then, you can do a new transaction or go to your dashboard. So, ganun lang siya. That's how PayDirect works. Now, once it's completed, magsisend rin yan ng email notification. So, since I have to wait for it, I will just show you a screenshot here. Yan yung confirmation. So, then you can inform kung sino yung babayaran mo kung nakuha na nila. So, once you get that email, meaning yan, successful yan. Meaning napadala yan. So, dapat i-confirm nila kung nakuha na nila yan. Usually, guys, mabilis lang naman yan. And what I love about it is at least ang dami mong pwedeng bayaran with this. Think of all of the suppliers mo na bank account lang, yung bawal mag-credit card, you can use this as long as you have your credit limit. Now, libre siya. Diba? If you can see, walang processing fee siya. But remember that the due date niyan is the same as your credit card due date. So, if you don't pay in full, then, syempre magkaka-interest yan. If you pay in full, walang interest yan. So, guys, definitely use it to earn your points if ever may kailangan kang bayaran, or if ever gusto mo syempre isahan yung pagbabayad mo. Like ako, mas gusto ko na credit card bill yan para at least I can track and then isahan kong babayaran yung credit card bill ko. Remember guys that your credit card hindi po libre money yan kahit PayDirect yan. Kahit walang processing fee yan, pera mo pa rin yan. So make sure that you have that money bago mo gamitin yung features na yan. And of course, guys, some also FAQs out there. No, you cannot send to your own bank account. That is by the rules and regulations ni Union Bank and PayDirect. So no, you cannot send it to you. Basta you have to send it to somebody else. Hindi siya pwedeng own account mo. So yun lang naman yung pinaka-importante na kailangan mo, because I'm sure a lot of people will ask, Jax, can I send to my own account? By the rules and regulation of Union Bank, bawal mo siya i-send to your own account. Reminder, hindi siya dapat pwedeng gawin. Okay, now, without further ado, yun lang naman siya. At least now you have a step-by-step instructions and guide on how to use PayDirect for your Union Bank credit cards. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share this video as well to your friends and families, especially kung sino man may kailangan itong video na to, and hit that bell notification button so you get notified every time I release a new video. So guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye guys!